Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope all you are fine at home. By the grace of Almighty Allah, I am also fine. I am Kamrul Islam, your English teacher, Sadhana SS High School. Today I am going to discuss how to change affirmative sentence into negative. You all know it is a part of transformation sentences which is very important for all students. And to change any affirmative sentence into negative, there are two ways. We can change any affirmative sentence without changing meaning. We can also change any affirmative sentence by changing meaning. So our today's topic is without changing meaning, and it is called transformation of sentences. Have a look. Affirmative. He is present here. Negative. He is not present here. We can change affirmative sentence into negative by using not after the auxiliary verb. Here, have a look. Here the meaning is changed. He is present here is true, but when we have made it negative, is not present here. The meaning has been changed here. Another sentence, have a look. Affirmative. He is present here. Negative. He is not absent here. He is not absent here. It is also negative, but the meaning is unchanged here. How we have done it? We have used opposite word here. So to change affirmative sentence into negative, we have to use opposite words or not changing the meaning. And in this way, we can change other sentences too. Suppose he is a rich man. He is a rich man. Negative. He is not a woman. He was always punctual. Negative. He was never late. I always agreed with him. I negative. I never did agreed with him. In this way, we can change affirmative sentence into negative without changing meaning. But when the meaning is not changed, it is called transposition of sentences, but when the meaning is changed is called conversion of sentences. There are other rules, there are other exceptional rules, and these sentences cannot be changed into negative by using opposite words. For such kinds of sentences, there are specific rules, and you all should remember all these rules. Have a look. If you see only or alone, and when only and alone will indicate persons, then to make this affirmative sentence, you will have to use non-verb. For example, only Allah can help us. Only Allah can help us. Negative will be none but Allah can help us. None but is used here for only or alone. In the second sentence, only to indicate things or objects. If only indicates things or objects instead of persons, then nothing but will be used for only. Suppose only education can remove darkness. Nothing but education can remove darkness. Nothing but education can remove darkness. Again, only to mean or indicates number, then not more than will be used to make the sentence negative. Look, Jerry was only 5 years old. The negative will be Jerry was not more than 5 years old. In this way, when only will indicate any number, then the sentences will be changed into negative by following this rule, not more than. And now every. If there is every in the affirmative sentence, then we have to use there is no but. Suppose every rose has a thorn, the negative will be there is no rose but has a thorn. If every mother loves, if every mother loves her child, then the sentences will be there is no mother but loves her child. Everyone wishes to be happy. If there is everyone with every, then we will use there is no one. If there is everybody wants happiness, then the negative sentence will be there is nobody but wants happiness. That is, after every, if we see body, then we will use there is nobody. After every, if we see one, there we will use there is no one. After every, if we see mother, we will use there is no mother. And after every, if we see rules, there is no rules. In this way, the negative sentence will be done. Now, let's come to see must. If we see affirmative sentence with must, then we have to use can't, but, or cannot help. Look, we must obey our parents. The negative will be we can't but obey our parents, or we can't help obeying our parents. If we use help instead of but, then we have to use we have to add ing with the verb. Now, as soon as, if the affirmative sentence is with as soon as, then the rule will be no sooner than. Suppose, as soon as we reached school, the bell rang. The negative will be No sooner had we reached school than the bell rang. If we see the affirmative sentence with to and to, then this rule will be used. So plus adjective plus that. Suppose he is too weak to walk. The negative will be he is so weak that he can't walk. Again, if the affirmative sentence is with both and, then the negative will be not only but also. Suppose he is both active and brilliant. The negative will be he is not only active but also brilliant. SS, if we see SS in the affirmative sentence, then not less than will be used in the negative form. This is as sweet as honey. Negative will be this is not less sweet than honey. And if the affirmative sentence is superlative, then the negative form will be the positive. It is the positive form of the superlative will be the negative form. Suppose he is the best boy, negative will be no other boy is as good as he. And last of all, comparative form SS, he is cleverer than I is an comparative degree. The negative form will be I am not as clever as he. In this way, these exceptional rules of affirmative sentence will be used to make this kind of affirmative sentence into negative. Actually, the boot is small in size, and that's why my handwriting is small a little. I am sorry for that, but I think you can understand what I have discussed. And if you have any problem, I will help you later. So I think you have enjoyed the class. This is all for today's class. Good luck.